Yeah. How's it going, team? You know what time it is? Silver ball cutting time. This began life as this. It's shiny. It's almost ball shape. It's a disaster. It went wrong. And if you saw the previous video, you know how bad this went. So I don't know if you can hear this. This is still the issue again. Why is it smoking? It has something loose, a rogue element inside, a ball within a ball. It's like a Kinder egg. How are we going to do this? Ideally with a workshop, a saw, a vise. I don't have any of them. Do have this. We got a ball to cut. Yeah. Let's try putting a book. Michael Caine, will you do it? Michael Caine, you're just not tall enough. There you go. That. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, does it? And then what I'm going to do is this. Oh, the ball's going to do this. What an idiot. This isn't even going to work. Okay, ish. I mean, it's not even halfway, is it? Right, so this needs to be a little bit lower. That's Duff, by the way. This is a good book. I think that's going to be it. That's the stack. If you're ever going to do this, that's your book stack you need. You're welcome. Just got to keep that ball. Do you know what? If I turn it here, I'm a genius. Is that halfway? Yes. Yes, sir. We've got a line on our ball. Did you tilt? Come and look at me. Look at me. I'm back. Now we got to cut it. Next scene. I lost my ball. I found my ball. Maybe. I also bought one of these. We're going to start with a saw. We got no vise, and yeah, I don't need these. It's a saw, mate. Calm down. Do not ever saw like this at home. Seriously, if anyone's watching, do not do what I am doing.
And here we see where Baz learned his health and safety from.
So, other cutting thingies are available. Oh, maybe that one. Do you reckon that or that? It's probably wrong, isn't it? But that's maybe. Let's just pop these on, shall we? Prove I can take health and safety very seriously. After trying to cut it with this initial disc, it didn't actually have much of an impact at all. So I swapped it to what is supposed to be a metal disc. Nah, let's get rid of these. But this also didn't do an awful lot either. So I very quickly cast that aside and fobbed it off. Okay, so how's it going so far? Not good. Not good. Can you see the line? Maybe 3-4 mil around the hole outside. I've missed a few times, so I've scratched my nut up. I've scratched my ball up. I'm scratching my ball up. It's like what professionals do, doesn't it? Why is this not straight? I'm only just about learning to use cameras, by the way. They say it's YouTube, got to keep changing the camera angle. Is this one good enough for you? Is this one good enough for you? Should we change a different angle for you? Okay, so the ball in the center is about this big. Then there's going to be a pocket, this big. And then there's going to be the outer shell. So I'm guessing 20 mil? 20 mil? Around the hole outside I've got to cut. I've done about 4. I am obsessed with that. If only there was an easier way. Okay, it's now day 2. I didn't expect this to go to a day 2, simply cutting a ball in half, but it's day 2. Changed my t-shirt. I didn't know what to do. I don't know how. I thought I'm gonna have to abandon the video because I don't have a vise and I don't have a workshop. Cindy, my partner, said, but can't you make a vise? I can't make a vise. Out of what? And she said, well, you have this. Yes. So I made this sim a couple of years ago. Obviously you can't make a vice out of a sim, but you can make it out of this stuff with all these little brackets. Can I make a vice? Maybe, maybe not. Let's give it a go. Time to wreck a sim. Chat, action. It's time. Now I'm not sure if this is actually going to work. I think it's going to work. I had to take off the minimum amount possible because I didn't want to pull my sim, Big Bertha, apart. So let me show you what we got. I made this. It's pretty sturdy. I think I'm going to cut it from this side. So I'm right-handed, so I've got a handle. Ball slides in there with some trusted bubble wrap. My thought is as follows. Right. Bear with. The bubble wrap is going to be out the way. Then I'll show you it without the bubble wrap. There we go. Right, moved. We're going to stop the moving with our buble wrap. That is beautiful. It's moving a little bit, but it's actually working. This is the result. I can cut this and I can put my sim back together. It's a big thumbs up from me. And just when you think this couldn't get in any better, look at this. It's absolute masterclass of ball cutting. We are so close. I'm going to commit with the wood. Right. Don't look. We are finally going to see what's inside. It's an avocado. That's not even... Surely no. There's a ball in that ball. We've not even finished yet. Look how dense that's gone inside my avocado. We have to keep cutting. We have to keep cutting. Time to do some sketchy shit. Do-da, do-da. Hope I get away with it. You want to come this side? Do you want to come this side, mate? Oh, he's gone. You see it before I do. It's another avocado. Why does it come out? I thought there was going to be a huge pocket in there, but that's actually so tight. That's crazy that that made so much noise. Shaking. I will make another one. I won't do this. I won't do this. I will just make one from the start, and then you won't get this separation between the parts. I can now put my sim back together. You coming? No? Next video? Got it. Yeah, thank you for watching.